Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we'll be starting a read, and this read is gonna be about, since we all know Mercury retrograde is coming up, so we're gonna see is the past gonna come back in our life or not. And it's only gonna be a love read, it's not gonna be anything regarding your career or your job. So those who are expecting a return of an ex or a return of any past person in your life, let's see if this past person is gonna come in your life or not. Let's see the energies of the past person. Okay, so the past person basically means whom you are in no contact with right now, who was in your life at a point of time, but you just lost contact. So there's no communication involved right now, not even like single communication, so just be mindful of that. If you're communicating with that person, if you have any kind of communication with them, then this read might not be for you. This is only for the ones who have no communication. And we started off with the Page of Pentacles. Yes, exactly, you're having no communication, you're just looking towards that person from far of a distance, and sometimes you observe them a little bit, sometimes you think about them, and then you just all of a sudden you forget. There's not a lot of feelings involved, but yeah, this person was in your life at a point of time, but Mercury retrograde has a habit of bringing past into our life. So we'll see if this past person is coming into your life or not, and we'll see their energies first. Okay, so let's see how their recent past has been. Let's see their recent past energies. Oh, so imbalanced, of course. You know, the reason we get the guidance for taking out the reads is because there's uh, some kind of vibrations that are coming into the universe from the other person, who maybe is not in contact with you right now, but maybe have seen you somewhere or just thought about you. So there's gonna be some kind of a pull or an attraction from that end. That's why this kind of guidance came. So this is not like out of the blue moon, it's because that person is giving the vibrations. So that's why I was about to say their energy is very imbalanced right now. See, not even able to shuffle the cards. See their recent past. Okay. Okay. Some of you, or I would say 90% of you, will be getting the communication from this person. This person will be entering your life shortly, because in the recent past, I do see this person was offered something that they did not want. This person was offered a cup of love from somebody that they didn't want. They had something else in their mind, and they had someone else in their mind, I would say. And that was you. How did you come there? Maybe you just take a thought, or you took a thought in the recent past and you just let that thought go. You're like, no, 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 I'm not gonna think about it. What am I thinking? Like, this is never gonna happen. But I think universe heard the vibrations. Universe actually took those vibrations, and this person is coming towards you. See, this person is coming towards you very strongly, and by the full moon that the full moon which is coming right now, by this full moon you might have some kind of communication. You might receive some kind of message or some kind of something from this person for sure. Maybe you hear about them from a common friend, or maybe I do see this person communicating very properly. Like, like the actual communication could be through any social media or anything else. Let's see what their current situation is. Since we saw it in the recent past, so for some of you this has already happened, but for most of you it's gonna happen in next some days. So let's see what their current situation says. Okay. Mercury retrograde is bringing the past back. They are holding themselves very strong. Okay, this was a soulmate for some of you. Some of you it's a soulmate connection, because we have the lovers here. I won't say it's a twin flame, but it could be a soulmate connection. And they did not have anything to offer you that time, but now this person has a lot to offer you. And this person has like a full garden of roses to offer you. This person can offer you like all of their love that they were not ready to give you at the time when you were with them, or whatever. You know the reason better why you parted from this person. So they are coming very strong. Like they're very strong in their mind, very stable in their mind. They know what they're doing. So they're coming in very, very, very strong. Okay. And they have all the love for you in the world. They're like the, and for some of you this person is a very maybe, I don't know why the things didn't work out, because here what I see, the energy of this person is of a very gentle, a very emotional, and a very shy personality. So maybe things didn't work out that time because you were involved in something else, they were busy in their work. So maybe that time the things didn't work out that well. But now they are all in love with you. Maybe they've seen you somewhere. Maybe they are definitely keeping an eye on you. That the moon is telling us for sure, that the moon card is definitely showing us they're keeping a very close eye on you. And they are coming in as very strong. They're sitting as like the king, and they have all the love for you, the king of the cups. So yeah, this person is like all about you right now. A regular Mercury retrograde thing. Okay, let's see what the immediate future says. What this person's gonna do in the immediate future. Okay, so this person will not come up straight up front. Okay, again they will be throwing hints. They will be giving you a lot of hints, maybe messages from common friends, or just liking your pictures, or just, so no direct messages. Maybe this person liked this before too, so yeah. Well, it's, if you want to make up with this person again, I would say go for it, because he's the king of the cups and you're the queen of cups, and then you have the lovers. What else do you want in life? A perfect relationship, a perfect soulmate relationship in which you both are gonna enhance each other's lives. You both are gonna bear each other for all your lifetime. Okay, we have a contradiction here. This person is definitely gonna throw their arrows of love towards you, and you will be receiving it. You are actually looking towards it, and you are ready to take it. And then we have the strength card for this person. For some reason, I do think maybe you don't know, but they know something about this relationship, because we have this card here which is clearly telling me that it's a twin flame relationship. It is not just a soulmate, it is more of a twin flame relationship. And this person knows about it. So those of you who are dealing with a certain divine masculine or a divine feminine, take house wherever it resonates. Those of you who know that this person might know about twin flames, this person might know about inner work, about self-healing and all, then yeah, this person I do see is your twin flame. This is not just a normal soulmate connection. And they know about this. Because underneath the deck, we have the celebrations, we have an official commitment, we have an engagement, definitely a committed relationship, which is giving you a lot of peace of mind, a lot of happiness. Yeah, this is definitely a twin flame connection, because you're gonna grow old with this person, you're gonna be living your whole life with this person. So this person's coming. Whosoever is on your mind, then you don't have any communication with this person right now. This person is coming. We'll be checking your energies now. Whom are you waiting on? Are you waiting on the same person, or is it somebody else coming in your life? Let's see. Let's see your energies about this person. What are you thinking about the person whose energies we just saw? What then you will be pretty much clarified who I'm talking about. So okay, you are thinking of building a happy home with this person. There's a lot of happiness coming. There's a lot of, you have always thought of having a happy home with this person. You have always thought of marrying this person. So yeah, in your mind also, you are the queen of the cups and he's the king of the cups. So again, we have those same cards. Let's see your current situation regarding this person. How are you thinking about this person right now? And what are you thinking about this person right now? Okay. So in the current situation, since you're not having any kind of communication with this person, you're feeling very unattached from that person. You're just feeling like, how is this person going to come in my life just out of the blue? Like, how can this person even enter my life? That's what you're thinking right now. But on the other hand, you have this thing also in your mind that, you know, I need to have a happy home with this person. I need to build a new home with this person. I need to build this marriage or whatever, like a proper committed relationship with this person. And then we'll just take some clarifiers here. Let's take some clarifiers. In the current situation, you're thinking, you know, things have ended. Even though this read is trying to tell you something, but in your mind you're thinking that, you know, the thing has ended so long ago that, you know, nothing's gonna happen, nothing's left in this relationship to start, like this cannot even start. But you're gonna receive the phone call. This is actually that you will be receiving the phone call, a message or something. You will definitely receive something. might have some kind of arguments with this person, might have some kind of battles that you have to fight with this person, maybe some of the past things that will come up. But right now in your mind, you're just in that, sick mode. You are in that sickness kind of a thing. You're just lying down on your bed and thinking, it has all ended, it can never start, it has all ended. And because it has ended, it's giving you a lot of pain also, and you are just in your own mind fighting these battles. Somewhere in my mind I think this person's coming, but then this person's not coming because things ended in this way. So let's see what the immediate future says for you. For your particular situation, what's the immediate future for your particular situation? You're gonna receive a message for sure. There's definitely a news coming your way, a news that has been hidden from a very long time, something that you have completely no idea about. You will be getting to know about it, and that thing is gonna give you a lot of victory. You'll feel very victorious after getting to know about the thing. You will feel that, finally I aced it, finally this person's coming into my life, I am happy. Like, it's the whole celebration mode in your house. All these celebrations are going on around, and things are going to be very speedy that time. In the immediate future, I do see things are speeding up so much. As soon as you get to know about this thing, about this news, um, things are going to speed up. And there's a possibility that this person himself is going to tell you, himself or herself, take how it resonates, but this person himself is going to tell you everything. So it's not like you're going to get to know it from a common friend or something. This person will call you or text you on WhatsApp or whatever it is. You will get to know what this person has been hiding, or why this person was not able to come in your life before, or whatever was going on. This person's definitely gonna tell you. And this person's definitely a soulmate or a twin flame for some. If you're going through a twin flame relationship, then it could be a twin flame for you guys, but I do see it's more of a soulmate for you guys. Yeah, so it is more of a soulmate. Even for twin flames, I don't say it's gonna be, maybe a soulmate is coming back into your life. So even for twin flames, it is the soulmate. And you're gonna grow old with this person. Like, you're gonna have a very happy married life with this person. So it's not always necessary for twin flames also to get married. So yeah, that is what's coming your way. Let's see what's the guidance from the universe for you right now particularly, and we will clarify for, we'll just have one more question, and that will be if this person is the twin flame connection or this person is the soulmate connection. Okay, so for most of you, it's gonna be a soulmate. It's gonna be a soulmate who's gonna come and tell you everything. And also, if you need any kind of guidance, regarding if you're not able to understand, if you're dealing with a three-party situation, or if there's somebody else also involved in this whole situation, you can ask the angels. The angels will be guiding you, or start meditating during the full moon time. The full moon will definitely give you all the answers, whatever answers you need. So whatever answers you need, the full moon's gonna give you the answers. Okay, let's see what's the universal guidance for you guys. Now I'm talking about you, not the person that's on your mind. So what's the universal guidance for you? This person's coming. Wait there patiently, and you're gonna have a lot of celebrations coming your way in your house. You'll be celebrating with your family, with your mother, with your other people, whosoever's around. So it's gonna be like a big celebration, and this person is coming with their cup of love. You will not be very pleased to see this person at first, because you're not expecting this person to come at all. I am repeating, just you're not expecting this person to come. So it is that person that you're not expecting. So if you can decode it, that's the guidance from the universe, which clearly says it's a soulmate relationship. So we are done with the read. If you want to have a personal read with me, I'll be posting the link in the description down below. Simply click on the link and fill the consultation form, and you can get a personal read with me. And also, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry for that. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.